Hey everyone, so in previous video I showed how you can set up a whole MCP server within your local and then connect to Open WebUI. I also quickly wanted to talk about the MCP servers available in other places. So for example, you have an MCP server in Antigravity. And you can check out these videos which I made for Antigravity if you want to learn more. So if you look at these MCP servers, you can see the list of MCP servers which are available for you to use. You can connect while you're working on this. So just to give an example, we can use the one with GitHub. So let's go to GitHub. These are the things which you can do there and you can try installing it. For installing it, you need a GitHub personal access to it. So let's get that. So you can log into GitHub. Okay, I had accidentally lost access to GitHub, so it took some time to get it back, but now I'm back. Let's continue. So here's my GitHub, and in order to connect to this, I need to get my GitHub token. So let me set up a personal access token. So to get your access token, you can go to settings. I'm sorry, I'm not going to show my face right now. Too ashamed. It is beautiful, believe me. And then you go to developer settings. Go to developer settings, and then you have personal access token. So you want to go with classic tokens. You already see I'm on test 2 because there were some issues. But let me just create a new one, and you want to create again a classic token. As of now, you can just select repo and gist. And why we use only these two? There's a simple reason because you want to give what we call the least privilege, but also most useful. So repo actually is a massive umbrella. By selecting this, you are basically granting your MCP server the ability to, you can read, write code, you can manage issues, you can handle pull requests, and you can access private repos even. For Antigravity to use this, that's what 95% of the things which you need to do. Gist, it tells me basically that you don't want the whole repository or a single script or a configuration file. It allows the AI to help pull snippets or logs to your GitHub gist so that you can access them later on any device. So it doesn't do a lot right now based on whatever I'm going to be doing, but for now this is fine. And we don't need anything else because you don't want to give admin access so that it can like add other collaborators, delete complete repos, things like that. But for our use case, repo and gist should be enough. So I'm just going to call it test3 here, just for the sake of writing it. And you want to save this token as soon as you create it. So you copy it and save it somewhere. So I'm saving somewhere here as well. And then you use it in your anti-gravity. So you go to your GitHub MCP configurations and you just update this and you save it. So now I'm not using the previous one, I'm using the new one. So you can see I was able to access my repo. Let me start a new chat. So you might have to just give the MCP. You can see GitHub MCP server. How many repos do I have? It's getting me. Okay, I don't know why that had problem, but it's able to tell me that I have 17 repositories in my GitHub account. Awesome. Now, let's say if I want to push this current repo into there. Let's see if the agent can do that. So it will have to do everything. It will have to git status. It should run always. So obviously there's not a git repo. So it's going to try creating one. So it's doing git init, add dot, git commit everything, and then let's see what it does. So it's determined that MCP directory doesn't exist. So it's created a plan. So I want to see, look at the implementation plan. Okay, I'll say proceed. So it's creating the repo here. Okay, it's asking me to log in. Okay, so I gave my authorization. It looks like the model generation exceeded the maximum output token limit. So I see the code right here. It has pushed it. I just wonder why it's not able to verify it. Just asked if it can do a verification. It's using list branches as one of the tools. Great, it works fine. And let me add another tool here just to see if it is able to. And I'm just going to ask it to commit this, commit and push latest changes. So it's adding and committing same time, and it's also doing git push. So if I see my code here and go back to server.py, I should have a new create. Great. So what does it mean? So we are able to control all our code from this MCP tool. So in a way, this is giving you smart intelligence to allow you to use GitHub in a better way. That's it. That was a simple way to just check how you can connect your MCP server with an anti-gravity. And there's way many options if you want to do something else. It will just help your agent to do things faster or use things in a better way. So I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time. I do not know what what I'm going to do next, but if you have any suggestions, let me know. Thank you.